Kindergarten Prep Tips for Parents Part 1. As some of you get ready to send your child to kindergarten, you might be wondering what are some things that you should be working on with your child aside from academic skills. Well, there's actually quite a few things, so let's talk about them. Number 1 is to teach your child how to take their socks and shoes on and off. And if they can't tie shoes, don't buy them tie shoes or teach them how to tie their shoes. Number 2 is teach them how to properly pull up and zip or button their pants and how to put on and take off their jackets and sweatshirts. I've seen countless children run outside to play in the cold without their jackets because they just don't know how to put them on and didn't want to waste playtime trying to figure it out. Number 3 is teach them how to wipe their butt properly. You might assume, yeah, Melissa, that's a given. But no, I can tell you it's not. Show your child how to wipe their butt properly, and while we're at it, make sure they absolutely know to wash their hands after going to the bathroom every time. Number 4 is show them how to open and close their lunch containers, water bottles, packages, and juice boxes. Trust me, you do not want a lunch tossed in their backpack with something wide open, leaking all over the place. So teach them how to close them.